Hello, my name is Rachel. I'm a Thrifty Crocheter, and today is January the 20th, and it is a multiple of 5 stitches plus 3. 5 stitches plus 3. Okay, so I have a chain of 15 plus a 3, so that's 18 chains altogether. And it's a repeat of rows 2 through 6 for the pattern. So for row 1, you're going to single crochet in the first chain, and single crochet in every chain across. So the first row is really easy. It's nothing but single crochets. Now remember, for each of these patterns that I'm showing you every day, I'm just making a swatch so that way it gives you an idea of what the pattern will look like, so that you can use these patterns to make whatever you would like, whether you want to make like a basket, you want to make clothing, you want to make a washcloth, dishcloth, you want to make a cowl, you want to make whatever you would like to make with these patterns. That's all up to you. I'm just showing you every day each of these different patterns. I wish they had better names for them, but we go with what we've got. All right, row 2, chain 1, single crochet in each of the first 2 single crochets. Okay, that's easy enough. 1, 2. Now I'm using a 4-weight yarn and a size I9 5.5 millimeter hook, but use what you think is best. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 3 stitches and then single crochet in the next 2. So we're going to skip 1, 2, 3, and then single crochet in the next 2. 1, 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the next 2. 1, 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the last 2. Row 3, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip the first single crochet and double crochet in the next. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip this 5, skip the 5 chain, and double crochet in the next 2 single crochets. So only you're going to skip this chain, and you're going to put a double crochet in each of those 2 singles. 1 and 2. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to skip this chain and a double in each of these 2 singles. 1 and 2. Yes, I'm in my PJs and don't really care. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to skip this chain and doubles on the end. 1 and 2. Okay, that's after 3 rows. So far, it's been pretty easy. Row 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip the first double and double crochet in the next. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet around both the chain 4 and the chain 5 space. So you're going to go way down here to this chain 5 and over top of this chain 4, and you're going to pinch them together to make a single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then double in each of the next 2 doubles. 1 and 2. And you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do a single crochet, but you're going to come all the way down here and bring that up over there and make your single crochet. So you're pinching those 2 chains together. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a double on each of those 2 doubles. 1 and 2. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And you're going to come down here. And you're going to make a single just like that. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double on the double. And a double on the double. So that's how that looks. And that's the row 4. This is looking interesting. This is 4-weight yarn. Row 5. Chain 1, single crochet in the first 2 doubles. 1 and 2. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do our skipping again. Skip, skip, and skip. Ooh, we love to go skipping along. And single crochet in the doubles. So single there and a single there. Chain 3, 2, 3. We're going to skip the chain, skip the singles, skip the chain, and put a single on top of each of those 2 doubles. 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip this, skip that, and put a single on top of each of those 2 doubles. Single and a single. Row 6. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch across, including the chains. So we're going to put a single crochet in each of those doubles. Now remember, this is a chain 3, so you're going to have 3 single crochets here. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet on top of those 2 doubles. Single crochet to 3 right here. 1, 2, 3. Single on these 2 doubles. 1, 2, and then you're going to have 3 singles here. 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to end with singles on top of the 2 doubles. 1 and 2. And that's how you get this. How you get this lovely little pattern. This is actually very pretty. I think this would also make a very nice sweater. Make an interesting blanket. They almost kind of look like little footballs to me. When I got them up close, they sort of look like little footballs, maybe. I don't know. Like I said, an interesting blanket, maybe, or maybe a scarf, maybe a belt. I think this would make a really pretty belt. Make a really nice pattern for like a, when I wear a belt. That wouldn't make, I think this would look pretty, just like, if you stopped here at row, with row 6, I think that would be plenty wide enough. Just got to make it longer, of course, to make it into a belt. I think that would be a really pretty idea. It'd be a really nice idea. And then, of course, you want to find the right kind of, where it gathers together, I don't think you would make it into a tie one. You want one that would gather in and then, like a regular belt. I don't know how to explain it. But I think that would make a nice belt. I don't know. See what you can do with this. Have fun. January 20. Multiple of 5 stitches plus 3. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.